zoinks. That is going on YouTube.com.
Oh, I can smell it.
That is going on YouTube. Oh my god.
Oh shit, you can see him.
Yo, Gene, what do you gotta say?
Oh, my tear just ran down my pants.
Oh my god. That was so freaking tough, yo. I don't even like Lamborghinis.
Oh my god, 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 oh my god.
Oh god.
Bro, you should see my F1 panic on this.
Praying for days like these, bro. Praying for days like these.
We gotta run back to the flyby.
Fuck!
Bro, come on, it's gonna be worth it.
Okay, yeah, no, fuck.
Go back to the flyby.
Goddamn Ferrari! What model even is that? Where is it? Taking its bloody sweet time, huh?
Hear that?
We hear that, bro. What? Oh wait. Oh, stairs. Right behind the taxi. Holy shit.
And now, we walk all the way back again.
Yeah, and hopefully there ain't another fuck-ass flyby. Yo.
I swear, there's gonna be a third one.
458 special, whatever the fuck. Is that correct name?
You can hear it from here.
Is that the Ferrari ride? That's Ferrari ride.
458.
Okay, 458 and what's that?
Aventador.
Aventador, whatever fuck. Yeah. Holy shit, guys.
Oh.
Holy shit. Going straight on YouTube, genuinely. Actually going straight on YouTube. Holy shit. That is insane. Bro, two, bro. Yo, this is going on the... Should I put it on I'll put it on both Alphonse and me and...
You can put it on the hub.
Yeah, people will jerk off to that shit. Low key.
That's like shiny and beautiful.
Yeah. 2 flybys, bro. Actually worth it.
It made me forget that my butt was itchy.
Made me forget that it's 8 o'clock and I have to go home. Shit.